Most North American cars die near 200,000 miles, while Japanese fleet vehicles easily pass 620,000 miles on original parts. You might think longevity requires buying a specific brand, but early engine death actually comes from tiny daily driving habits that silently destroy internal parts. Japanese drivers use Kaizen, applying small disciplines to stop microscopic wear before it compounds into catastrophic failure. Longevity is engineered through behavior, not luck, and mastering these steps will save you thousands, especially the final secret, which is the most powerful shift you can make. Secret number 5. You probably start your car on cold mornings and drive off immediately, assuming modern engines are invincible. But when cold, your oil is thick and metal parts expand unevenly, meaning heavy acceleration creates massive friction when protection is weakest. Just let your engine idle for 30 seconds and avoid hard acceleration for the first few minutes. This simple, free habit prevents piston ring wear and stops mystery oil burning at 150,000 miles. While this morning routine saves your engine, it leads right into a hidden heat trap where you might be overheating critical parts long before your dashboard gauge even moves. Secret number 4. You probably trust your dash temperature gauge. Assuming a centered needle means you can push the engine hard, but factory gauges are heavily damped, hiding severe thermal stress on your oil and head gaskets until overheating is already happening. To stop this, simply drive smoothly for 10 to 15 minutes to ensure full thermal stabilization before aggressive driving or towing, requiring zero extra money. This easy habit prevents warped cylinder heads and sudden $3,000 cooling failures usually blamed on bad luck. While heat management protects your engine block, the next habit stops the fluid contamination, silently destroying your transmission from the inside. If you are liking these tips, subscribe to the channel right now. Secret number 3. You likely ignore transmission fluid because marketing claims it lasts forever, but all fluids gather metal dust and moisture, acting like liquid sandpaper on your internal parts. Ignore the lifetime fluid myth and proactively change all fluids early, treating them as basic wear items. This cheap habit ensures crisp shifting and prevents a sudden $4,000 transmission rebuild. Clean fluid saves your gearbox, but the next habit explains why waiting for rubber to break is a massive mistake. Secret number 2. You likely wait for parts to break to save money, but rubber belts and seals degrade invisibly, risking sudden timing or coolant failure. Proactively replace timing belts, water pumps, and hoses at strict mileage intervals, even if they look perfectly fine. This guarantees a $50 belt won't snap and destroy a $6,000 engine. Replacing cheap parts early prevents disaster, but the final secret reveals the core mindset needed to reach 700,000 miles. Secret number 1. You likely only check under the hood when a warning light flashes, but every tiny ignored vibration or fluid leak compounds over thousands of miles, silently destroying major internal gears. Apply the Kaizen philosophy, treating maintenance as continuous, small, affordable improvements instead of giant emergency repairs. This active habit prevents multiple systems from failing simultaneously, proving cars exceeding 700,000 miles survive simply by stopping tiny mechanical stresses early. If you like the content, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Comment below with your car's year and model. Watch the recommended video on your screen right now for more car secrets.